You better get moving, ready or not. It's about to go down, here it comes now. Better get moving, ready or not. It's about to go down, here it comes now. Get ready.
Welcome everybody to the opening conference of Galaico Yacht Club. My name is Charlito and I am the current Chief Executive Officer and founder of this new project. Moreover, I will count on some of the Galaico's administration members, Tiff, Operations and Public Relations Director, Alkai, representing all of the managers, and Ivanillo, Financial Director. Without any further ado, let's begin.
You ain't ever seen. You better get moving, ready or not. It's about to go down, here it comes.
The reason to create this new company is because of the necessity of living a never-before-seen experience within the Roblox community. After the creation, success, and closing of our two previous subsidiaries, Galaico Cruises and Galaico Ferries, we wanted to pull those two experiences in one, thus giving rise to this new project. For now, I would like to quote our priorities. You, the customers, will be our only priority, first and foremost. We want to give you an exclusive, luxurious, and elegant service. To my right, Tiff will continue with the speech.
Change of project, change of ideas. It's going to be a real challenge. This new concept of private cruising aboard luxury yachts is a complete innovation in the Roblox community. As operations director, I have to say there's going to be a significant change from our old projects. The gameplay we used to have in the cruises is very primitive compared to what we have now. We will as always try to offer a realistic and entertaining experience. I have to say, as now we are a private cruise line, entry to our voyages will also be private, at a very small charge though. This new symbolic cost will allow us to have smaller events than before, avoiding exploiters. Should you want to, you may improve your experience on board with a higher cost. Depending on the class you buy, you will have access to more staterooms, services like a butler, or massages, and a feature you will love. Since many people cannot afford to pay for a trip with us, they can be invited by other passengers. Depending on your class, you can invite from one friend up to 3. Through this new invitation system, your guests will live the same experience as you. I hope you will understand this new entry price to voyages. As Public Relations Director, I'll try to do everything in my hand to establish relationships with people who will benefit Galaico, like looking for partners or even allies. Apart from that, communication between customers and me will be as welcome as possible. I encourage you to take us into account should you suffer any inconvenience. I care for fluent and close communication and dealing with every topic in order to share announcements with you.
Returning to the subject of the ship, I would like to welcome Nereida, our next vessel, which is currently being built in one of the shipyards of Percebenotics in Vigo. As engineering director, I would like to say that the design and construction of this vessel has not been easy. We wanted to have the necessary safety and meet the most demanding expectations so that you, our customers, can enjoy a unique experience. Talking about her design, the engineers, architects, and I are doing a great job and I am very proud of it. In answer to Lei's question, I can say that this luxury yacht will have many facilities, from a spa with all kinds of amenities to a bar where you can play pool, darts, or bowling. It will be a very complete ship, as we wanted to make the most of the space available so that you can enjoy an exclusive experience. It will have several types of rooms depending on your class on board. Also, it will have an indoor and outdoor restaurant, indoor and outdoor swimming pool, barbershop, bar, lounge, jacuzzis, and much more. Regarding its construction, the ship hull is currently being finished in Vigo. If everything goes as expected, the christening and launching of the boat will be very soon. If you are interested in attending this unforgettable event, keep an eye on our social networks and news. It will be free to attend. Speaking of the beginning of voyages, we cannot tell you yet as we need to put the finishing touches on the ship and confirm the routes we will offer. We estimate around the end of January or February for the maiden voyage. Bookings will be open as soon as well as applications as we will need qualified staff. This last point will be explained deeper by one of the current managers, Alkai.
Yes, when it comes to choosing the staff we are looking for, it is quite complicated, as not everyone is prepared. We need people who are responsible, serious, and who know how to work as a team. But the most important thing is that they should trust in the company, in us. All our staff will have a direct relationship with the passengers during the voyage, and we must give an exclusive treatment. On behalf of all Galaico managers, I have to say that we will do our best to organize and coordinate staff and operations. Running an event with the passengers and staff is a very difficult challenge, but not impossible. We are really prepared for this and will not back down in case of any problems. If the latter happens, we will take care of it as well as possible.
As financial director, I think this project is going to be profitable as soon as we open. It's a great idea and I am very proud to be part of it. Business administration has never been an easy job, but I will do my best to manage our profits and losses to maximize the company's performance.
So finally, I would like to remind you that the inauguration of the boat is just around the corner. Throughout these days, you will be receiving news of the progress of this project, such as the construction of the boat or the preparation of the naming and launching ceremony of Nereida, our first luxury yacht. Thank you very much for being here with us today and see you soon.